na pwede natin pagsalusaluhan tonight. Alright? And to officially start our program, may we call on Miss Juanita Pajardo of Vanguard Radio Network for the opening prayer.
Let's pray. Katuwaan po namin, lalo higit Panginoon na kami pinagsama-sama po sa lugar na ito.
And of applause for Mr. Keljin Aswi.
Nice to see everyone again from last year. Guys, we were able to reach to the communities. We were able to get closer to each and every community na nakapaligid sa atin. And we were able to make and share meaningful stories to each and every one. So this night is for everyone. This night is for you. This is not about us, but this is our way of thanking you for the efforts and the successes that we did for 2025. With that, sit back, relax, and let's see kung sino mananalo ngayong gabi ito. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks so much, Sir Keljin. And let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Marvin Mauro Matoso.
Pero kagaya po ng SM Supermalls at kasama ng ating mga media partners, piliin pa rin po natin maghatid ng inspirasyon, ng mga meaningful story, sabi nga ni Sir Kelvin kanina. Piliin pa rin natin mabuti. So maraming salamat. Enjoy po tayo ngayong gabi.
Thank you so much, Sir Mal. And last message for our opening program, may we call on the Regional Operations Manager of SM City Cabanatuan and SM Mega Center Cabanatuan. Let's give a big round of applause to Ms. Pearl Salamsa.
Good afternoon to each and everyone.
Good afternoon.
Ang bilis ng panahon, di ba? Last year, sabi nga ni Mao. So again, we'd like to, actually this event is really for you. We would like to really appreciate your efforts, our partnership in making sure that talaga yung mga stories ng mga nangyayari sa Cabanatuan, especially in our malls, including our tenants. We do appreciate your help and support. Being well known sa mga, especially yung mga new tenants, and also kung may mga products sila. So, talagang appreciate din, even our tenants. And with that, talagang maraming salamat sa mga support niyo. And in every activities of the mall, lagi kayo nandyan. Really making sure that mag-enjoy kayo. And we do want you to feel that you are valued in our organization. And we hope that we will have a lasting partnership in many years to come. And gusto namin makita din mag-flourish yung career ninyo sa media, yung vlogging, at sa lahat ng aspects na gusto ninyong pasukan. And we hope that sabay-sabay tayo mag-flourish together. So again, maraming salamat. Know that you are appreciated at ang gabi ito ay para sa inyo. Hindi ko na pahahabain para mag-enjoy tayo.
Bongga ng prize! Printer! Nanalo din ng printer! Epson!
Our first winner is
Ice!
Nova Chronicle. Sir, pakitaan niyo naman kami ng isang... Congratulations, sir. Oh, Ryan Riguer from Explore Nueva Ecija. Brian. Congratulations, sir. Our next winner is Shane Tolentino from Nueva Ecija TV48.
Swerte naman ni Beshi!
Our last winner, congratulations, ma'am. Our last winner for Android tablet is... Congratulations, sir. Thank you so much, SM Supermalls. Congratulations, sir. Okay, so for our grand prize, maybe come on, Miss Ring.
Steve Goshwiko.
Grand winner from our home at SM Supermalls. Sponsor natin ang Our Home. Sila yung mga hindi nabunot. Pero lahat makakatanggap ng gift from SM Mega Center Cabanatuan and SM City Cabanatuan.
Bibigyan ng makabuluhang balita. Palakpakan tayong lahat, guys!
TV48 TV Champion. Nueva Ecija, our social media champion 2025.
Special mention po kay Kahit Nakanaw. Maraming salamat dito.
Teleradyo, our radio champion.
Of course, my very good friend from Manila Bulletin up to SM. Siguro more than a decade na kaibigan ko na rin po ito. Kuya Jonas Reyes. Daily Tribune na ngayon.
Our national media champion, awarded here at SM Mega Center Cabanatuan Media Thanksgiving 2025.
Champion na champion tonight to. Another national media champion na lagi tayo. Never pumalya sa lahat po ng press release kahit siguro suyang-suya na siya. Female version. Limitin mo na sila na mga 1 hour.
Sino kaya?
Hindi daw po kasali si Miss Nori. Ang best 80s attire. Give certificate for the best performance tonight. Ito na. Of course! The best performance for tonight na mag-uwi. For the air!
Yes po. So, we have si Sheen always here in Cabanatuan. Ako po, I'm always supporting in whatever we have po here in Nueva Ecija.
Paramdam po namin ngayong gabi kung gaano po kayo kahalaga sa amin. At we are looking forward for more years being together with all of you guys. I would like to also finally thank my... Hindi po siya makakarating ngayon because of some personal problems din po. Pero I'm very happy na nakarating na pa din. Because this... And Sir Reynald and CRS, nandito po kayong lahat just to support me. And I'm so glad and happy po.
Ito po kayo lahat na pumunta dito at mag-group picture po tayo. Para po makauwi na po tayo.
Thank you! Mga katropa, nanalo ako ng bike sa raffle. Thank you so much, SM Supermalls Trinks. Wow! Dadaan natin dito sa elevator. Thank you kaya.